Okay, good morning from Sesrium Strip out here on the edge of the Namib Desert. This is day 2 of flying for the second trip out in the Namib. This is just to go to show you how much comm stuff we need to run these paramotor trips safely. So to start off with, we have this radio here, which is the, if I speak to the Boertjies on this one, so this is come in Gert, waar is jou? So that's that one, so I can speak to the guys back in camp. This one is we can speak to the pilots who are in the air, so we can tell them off for doing silly things like flying in the wrong area. Very important. This one is an airband radio for talking to other pilots flying in the area, so I have to speak very slick on this one because other pilots are listening. Very important. This is the sat phone, which is just in case one of the pilots has to sit down and has no line of sight to use VHF. They can use their satellite beacon to get in touch with us on this one. This is just a normal Nokia landline, local number, and this one here is when I get calls from Maury talking about, you know, Tesco's has run out of mushrooms or something like that. There we go.